The Zoovela Smart Sunglasses from Zoovela.com truly redefine what modern eyewear can be, delivering an exceptional combination of advanced smart technology, premium comfort, and stylish design that feels thoughtfully crafted for everyday use. From the very first wear, the sunglasses make a strong impression with their sleek, contemporary look that easily complements casual, sporty, or even semi-formal outfits, making them far more than just a tech gadget. They are a genuine fashion statement. The lightweight yet durable frame sits comfortably on the face, allowing for long hours of wear without strain, pressure, or irritation, which is especially appreciated during outdoor activities, travel, or extended commutes. One of the most impressive aspects of these smart sunglasses is the seamless audio functionality, which provides clear, well-balanced sound directly through the frame, letting you enjoy music, podcasts, calls, or navigation prompts without blocking out environmental sounds, ensuring both convenience and safety. The sound quality is surprisingly rich for such a discreet design, with crisp vocals and satisfying clarity that enhances everyday listening without needing traditional earphones. The touch and control features are intuitive and responsive, allowing effortless management of calls, volume, and tracks with simple gestures, making daily interactions smooth and frustration-free. In addition to their smart capabilities, the sunglasses provide reliable UV protection, helping safeguard your eyes from harsh sunlight while maintaining sharp, comfortable vision throughout the day. The battery performance is another standout feature, offering consistent, long-lasting usage that easily keeps up with a full day of wear without constant recharging, which adds to the overall practicality of the product. What truly sets the Zoovela Smart Sunglasses apart is how naturally they integrate into daily life. There is no learning curve or sense of complexity. Instead, everything feels refined, balanced, and user-focused. Zoovela clearly pays close attention to detail, from the quality of materials to the smooth functionality and overall user experience, resulting in a product that feels premium, reliable, and well worth the investment. Overall, the Zoovela Smart Sunglasses deliver an outstanding blend of innovation, comfort, and sophistication, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their eyewear with smart features while maintaining a stylish and confident appearance.